how forest is dance, how forest is a gift.
Alam natin na kapag live kahit ano pwedeng mangyari. Minsan smooth, pero minsan may mga sandaling sobrang unexpected at nakakatawa. Dito ipapakita natin ang pinaka-memorable na live TV fails at news bloopers na nahuli on air. Tara at simulan na natin. Habang seryosong nagbabalita, biglang may ibon na paulit-ulit siyang tinatapakan sa ulo. Kitang-kita ang gulat niya, pero tuloy pa rin sa report. Pilit pinapakalma ang sarili. Isang nakakatuwang on-air moment na di mo inaasahan.
Involving a taxi fare on January the 30th last year in Twickenham, an area southwest of London. Now this alleged...
That's so funny.
Now, that's how wonderful.
Maganda naman daw ang ulat ng panahon, pero pinaulanan siya ng laway ng hayop na to.
From one of his passing, we learned more about the entrepreneur from one of his closest companions, Harley. Vegas, James Schaefer, downtown. All right, we'll do one more. Reporting from downtown, James Schaefer. That was nice. 8 News Now.
Kung babae siguro yung reporter, hindi na yun makakapagbalita ng maayos sa sobrang kilig.
থেকে দাঁড়িয়ে আসলে লাইভটা দিচ্ছে এবং সর্বশেষ আপডেট আমার কাছে যতটা এসেছে তামিম ইকবালের অবস্থা তিনি এখনো লাইভ সাপোর্টে আছেন এবং তার
Sobrang tagal kasing dumating ng rescue, kaya itong reporter hindi na nagpapigil para mang-interview.
सेना के जवान थे और कहीं ना कहीं इन भाई लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा कहे तो क्या कहे, गले मिल लीजिए भैया, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने जो काम किया ये बहुत बड़ा काम किया। जो हमारे देश के जवान जो सुरक्षित करते हैं उन लोगों को आपने सुरक्षित बताया। हमने पूरे ग्रामवासियों ने।
Did you see him?
Alam mo yung pinag-report ka lang ng live, tapos wala ka namang idea na maliligo ka rin pala. Yan mismo ang nangyari sa mga reporter na to.
Zona de sacar.
Sigurado kinabukasan, promoted na ang reporter na to. Aktwal ba naman na dinemo kung gaano kalalim ang naging baha sa lugar?
3 เมตรและท่วมมิดหัวทีมข่าวไปมากนะครับโดยนายจิตติกรนะครับยังบอกกับทีมข่าวด้วยนะครับว่า
คือน้ำมาเร็วมากครับประมาณไม่ถึง15 นาทีอ่ะครับท่วมเลยระดับนี้เลยแต่ว่ากระแสน้ำพอพังปุ๊บมันช่องมันกว้างมันก็เลยมาถึงเร็วมีปีแล้วครับ
ปีที่แล้วลึกขนาดนี้ไหมครับ
ปีแล้วยังน้อยกว่านี้ครับ
มันระดับประมาณไหนปีที่แล้ว
ก็ใกล้เคียงกันครับต่างกันก็ประมาณสัก20 เซน
Hindi ka talaga makakapag-report ng maayos pag may mga hayop sa tabi mo. Tulad nitong babaeng reporter na todo seryoso sana, pero ginugulo ng mga silayon na parang gusto ring sumali sa balita.
You can check out. We'll be here
Oh my goodness. I give you so much
I'm reporting live at the Altamont Fair. Juliana Bruno, News 10 ABC, also Sarah Inaba.
Right.
Oh, they're the best.
Sarah is fancying you, Juliana.
Loves
Wants
your
a
hair.
piece of your hair. It just doesn't get any better than that.
У меня уже просто промокли все мои балетки, поэтому, друзья, у кого есть резиновые сапоги, вытаскивайте их сегодня. Желательно, чтобы они были короткие.
Malinaw na may sariling plano ang panahon para sa live report na to.
Также хотим повторить вам прогноз погоды на эту неделю.
Conforme informações apuradas.
Sa live segment, binigyan ng maliit na alligator ang reporter para ipakita sa audience. Pero biglang nagwala ang alligator habang hawak niya. Kita ang gulat at taranta niya, pero kahit kabado, nagawa pa rin niyang ngumiti.
Okay, come a little closer. I'm gonna stay over here by Joni. Do they know? They no. Hold him tight. Hold him tight. Hold him. I am. Hold him tight. I am. You got it. I am. Oh, it's okay. All right. All right, Joni, you got it.
От палящего солнца все способы хороши. Кого-то тянет к большим водным артериям, а кто-то довольствует.
Wala siyang kamalay-malay na inaahas na pala siya habang nagtatrabaho.
Sophisticated brainwashing sees out there.
Morty, the snake behind you. Oh my God.
We call him an rodent control officer.
Ingat ka dyan, te. Magbiro ka na sa kahit anong klaseng hayop. Huwag lang sa buhayang gutom na mahilig mangurakot.
No.
Hindi masama ang mag-extra effort pero sabi nga nila, huwag magpakabayani sa trabaho dahil hindi naman ipamamana sa iyo ng may-ari ang kanilang negosyo. Dahil sa nangyari, mukhang hindi napapasok kinabukasan ng reporter na to.
I'm here to bring you the weather forecast. Look, I know many of you are planning to come down to the countryside for the holidays, but I must warn you. I must warn you, that's gonna rain, and you must be careful.
The Frankfurt Parks Department says they just... Oh, what the...
Yung bagong riban pa naman ng buhok mo, tapos sinaba ka agad sa ganitong klaseng pagbabalita. Kapag live sa reporting, minsan hindi reporter ang bida, kundi yung mga biglaang dumadaan sa harap ng kamera na kahit production team hindi na rin alam kung maaasar o matatawa.
Sa investigasyon ng Senate Blue Ribbon Subcommittee kanina.
Or may mga parang pedicab. Kamusta yung ayan, sorry.
Nakatakda ng ipa-deport ang higit 160 na POGO workers pabalik ng Shanghai.
Kita natin yung pagdagsari ng mga ng mga tao. Ano po yung compost?
Kung medyo may fear of heights daw kayo, ito raw ang ride para sa inyo. Kaya naman, susubukan natin kung talaga bang hindi ito nakakatakot. Ito na! Nakakatakot pala!
Pero hindi lang tao ang umeepal sa camera. Pati mga aso, may karir din sa pangkukulit sa kanila.
The Greenfield Police Department received nearly $4,000 in protection equipment to ensure Officer Donut's safety.
Im je motom komisija predstavila 750 milijardi eura težak fond.
So how are you coping with all the fame?
Jumping onto sidewalks, Rochester police responded to us after we reached out. They said, quote, officers monitored the situation through the blue light cameras. However, officers were diverted to other calls for service throughout the city. Again, this is an ongoing issue. We are working with police to see what is being done. I'm actually have a dog on my ankles here really right now here on East Avenue. But again, we are working with police to see.
Salamat ulit sa inyong panonood. Kung na-enjoy mo ang videong to, baka naman pwedeng makahingi ng isang like at subscribe. Kita-kits tayo ulit sa next video.